Now, emergency crews, they're also dealing with some spinouts that happened before the travel ban went into place. WBZ's Mike Sullivan joins us live in Sandwich with a look at conditions there. Mike?
Well, this is downtown Sandwich. Not quite that tourist spot it usually is. You'll be lucky to even get down the road if it's not for the snow and wind. It's the down power lines and trees. A summer oasis, now a winter whiteout. The storm dumping a foot of snow in Sandwich by 10 a.m. At times, the road is barely visible due to the heavy gusts. Winds were recorded here this morning at 42 miles per hour. But now we're by the beach where it's really strong, and we're going to try and fight it through. Unlike the snow in town, the ocean wind carries ice pellets, the salty BBs peppering your skin while creating ice sheets across the sand and nearby buildings. At times, it can be hard to even walk toward the surf. Speaking of water, this family is finding their own in town.
We just dug a little way to come to the water spring here. Just here really for our friends. We have some friends who need spring water to drink, and this is the famous Sandwich Spring.
Yosef Slack and his friends and family are filling up roughly 12 buckets to last them through the storm.
No matter what weather, we gotta have water.
And they're currently without power.
Not gonna have any issue. We're gonna get the generators running, the candles until then, the fireplaces, and
Down power lines are an issue across Sandwich. By Town Neck Beach, multiple roads are blocked with lines draped across the road. Near Main Street, this tree fell onto the road, narrowly taking down multiple power poles with it. Neighbors knew something was wrong when they heard the crash, saw generators kick in. Thankfully, some of the nearby homes remain with power. Those areas near Town Neck Beach are at times almost undrivable. When we were moving through there, we watched a fire truck spin out, nearly go off the road, and then catch itself with the driver bringing that truck back on. But we weren't sure they were going to go off the road. Live in Sandwich, I'm Mike Sullivan, WBZ News.
All right, Mike, thank you.